Are you tired of constantly repeating yourself and searching for the same information again and again on customer projects? Whether it's for creating project updates, documents, or forms, referencing the same content repeatedly can get frustrating. Let's see how Rocketlane SmartFill feature can help you automate this entire process and save valuable time on every project. SmartFill on Rocketlane can enhance your workflow in 3 key ways. Acts as a dynamic text replacement solution. Helps customize your messaging based on customer data. And offers instant access to important project information. Let's see how it works. It all begins with your project templates. On any task or document in your template, click on the Insert SmartFill button, or you can use this shortcut. Select the project field you want to add to your content. You can also set a fallback value in case the field you're trying to add is empty. Whenever you create a project using this template, all the tasks, documents, project updates, and forms will be created with the right content as per the information available on your project fields. It helps you automate the process of filling important project information. SmartFill also helps you standardize all customer communications for consistency and accuracy. With Conditional SmartFill, you can use if/else statements to customize your messaging based on the customer's information you have available on the project. For example, in your SLA policy document template, you can set a more aggressive SLA if your customer belongs to the enterprise segment and have the standard SLA for everyone else. Conditional SmartFill eliminates the need to maintain multiple copies of the same documents. Finally, in your live projects, SmartFill can help you pull out important project information in real time, such as the project completion percentage or number of completed tasks, without having to switch any tabs. Save countless hours on each project with SmartFill on Rocketlane. Try it today.